Once upon a time in Virginia, there lived a man who was unhappy with the situation in the colony, and sought a way to bring Virginia to its deserved glory. His name was John Smoth. Virginia was in a state of poverty and starvation. Their death tolls were unsatisfyingly high. He decided to write a letter to his dear old friend back in England, to aid him in his quest to help save Virginia. He asked him to take the next boat to America and help him find a way to bring wealth to the colony. It did not take long for his friend Lewis Clarkson to respond to the letter and get on the first boat heading to America.
Hello, my old friend. It has been a long time.
Haha, a long time indeed, John. How are you these days?
I've been better, Lewis. But let's discuss the matter at hand over a pint of ale.
So tell me, why have you summoned me to this abomination of a town?
Easy now, Lewis. I require your expertise in economics. Now, have you any idea how we can save Virginia from becoming a wasteland?
It won't be easy, but I'm sure we can think of something.
Oh, chat. I'm sorry, fellas, but I could not help but overhear you were talking about saving this godforsaken land. I know of an Indian fellow, a bit to the west of here, has this magical plant that I'm sure will sell like a pot of gold.
You know what, Lewis? I say we track down that Indian fellow. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Come, Lewis, we shall speak to this Indian. Thanks a lot, little fellow. Look, Lewis. I think that might be the Indian.
That Indian looks rather shifty, if you'd ask me, John.
We must speak to him if we are to save Virginia.
So are you going to talk to him?
I propose we flip a coin.
Oh well, here goes nothing. Good morning.
How?
We've heard stories of a plant that can turn tides of poverty in the state.
How?
Oh dear, this is lovely. Will you teach us how to cultivate this plant?
How?
Lewis Clarkson and John Smoth became extremely wealthy over the next decades, and had succeeded in saving Virginia. John held a festival lasting 3 whole days, while Lewis decided to use his wealth to invest in more properties and work labor so he could furthermore his wealth and become even more powerful in the state. From that point on, Virginia was the jewel of America, until Donald Trump entered the story.